The Morgantown Municipal Airport receives a waiver grant, continuing its participation in the federal Essential Air Service program. Now, according to the Assistant City Manager, this order, issued by the United States Department of Transportation, allows the airport to receive subsidies that will make it easier for commercial airlines to service smaller communities. The airport also received this subsidy last year.
It's really important for Morgantown, being as close as we are to the Pittsburgh International Airport, to be able to offer some competitive pricing and to keep commercial air carriers for the general aviation passengers like you and I to be able to fly out of Morgantown.
And according to the city, the airport must have an average of 10 emplanements or more per service day to maintain eligibility in this program. Right now, Morgantown Municipal Airport offers 38 round-trip flights to Pittsburgh and Baltimore each week.